Guys, what it do, YouTube? And I'm back with a new video. Yes, y'all, I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to show you how I do my 2-strand twist using African Pride curling cream and Eagle styling gel, the cannabis one. If you never get a chance to subscribe to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. You know, I appreciate all your support. Just help me reach to 1K, and you know, I'm trying to make new content the best I can every week. So if y'all interested to watching this video, keep on watching. First, I moisturize my hair with water and I finger detangle. I don't use comb when it comes to like I can, but sometimes I'll just finger detangle. Next up, I use the herbal oil and Jamaican black castor oil. And yes, I know, don't make the mistake I did, because I had too much oil in my hand and I just can't. So then just finger detangle the same old stuff like I did in the previous video. Next, I'm using the Eagle styling gel, the cannabis one, and I really like this gel because it has a strong smell, and this is the amount I use, and it's been a while. So, and then I just smooth it out. After I put the gel, I used the African Pride curling cream, which I been using in my previous video. If you didn't get a chance to see I think it's the braiding go, I will put that in the description box. So just keep on looking to that. So as you can see, I just finger detangle and smooth it out, and it gives a nice definition. So what I did is to braid the roots, and I just twist it, and until I done twist it, I'll just make a glue coil to the end. So I'm just gonna teach y'all how I did my 2-strand twist. What I did is to put the oil, gel, and the cream. This is the easiest part. So what I did is just braid the roots maybe 3 or 4 times. Sometimes it could be 5 or 6, but I just stopped like probably like maybe 4, but I can't remember, but I just stopped there until I'm done braided the roots. So after I'm done with that, just stop there, and then just take these 3 strands. So I got 1, 2, and 3, and I use my right hand and then keep on twisted. Sometimes I can do on my left hand. Well, actually no, I'm a right hand, so I twist it on my right side. That would make sense to you. So I keep on twisting and keep on twisting and keep on twisting. And then when it's a little dry, just maybe put some little bit of water until you get you're done twisting, and you just coil the ends. So basically it's just simple. Just like the same thing when I did my braid out, like doing a 2-strand twist. It's been a while I just done that. So I'm gonna give you a slow motion on my definition. Let me tell you that that cannabis Eagle styling gel, it was so bomb. And you put the curling cream in the gel, oh my goodness, it's just like the wet line, but it's the Eagle styling is more different. So just watch the slow motion of the curls. Okay, ladies and gents, back to the process. I know y'all enjoyed that slow motion. So what I did, braid the roots, twist it. Listen, I have a like thick hair, and it's take like what? I think it take like maybe an hour or so. Like as you can see, the bands really tacked in my hair. So I just like cut out the clips of, the progress I did my 2-strand twist, and I don't want to make it long or make it short. I'm just teach or show y'all how I did my 2-strand twist, or maybe a different hairstyle. Sometimes it could be longer, like in my previous video I think it's like 10 minutes or so. So I'm just keep it short. And I'm just on my edges. As you can see, I don't know if you can see my edges, but sometimes you can say I don't have no edge, but I do. And then I'm gonna give you the 360-degree view. It's been like maybe a half an hour or so. Don't mind my daughter, she's just trying to be the star, so I let her. And then just wrap it around with my scarf and with a bonnet. And then the next day I will see the results, and my result is looking good. Like if you can see my curl pattern, oh my goodness, like I think the Eco Styling Gel and the cream was like fire combination. Oh sorry, combo. Sorry, slipped. But it was the bomb. It's like I think I made the perfect 2-strand twist, and all I did is to fluff it around. I just don't want to mess up the curls, and this is like the best result I had. Like oh my god. Don't forget, you guys, please like, subscribe, and share this video if you think the video is helpful. If you want to use this method, if you are a curly girl like me, unless you give me credit for it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day, and peace.